Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some spring home decor. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. For my first project, I will be making a hanging door decor sign. So from Dollar Tree, I'm using this round wooden circle. I'm going to start by removing the string, which I'm going to set that to the side because I will be adding it on at the end. I will be making this sign two-tone, so I'm going to start by using the Dollar Tree painter's tape and making a section which it's going to be more towards the bottom, not in the middle, like more lower. This section right here is going to be purple, but I am first painting it white because I'm doing the reversible stencil. Once it's dry, I'm going to use these poster sticker letters that I had. Now, I love grabbing stickers when they are on sale, especially the ones that aren't that pretty. I mean, these are pretty, but I wouldn't use them personally. So these are great to do stencil. Before you go over it with the other paint, make sure that the letters are like really pressed on. If not, they are going to bleed. I will be using this Folk Arc acrylic paint, which is in the color purple or lilac. After giving it 2 coats of paint, I let this dry for a couple of minutes and then I remove the stickers. So I'm not sure what I did wrong, but when I was removing the stickers, the purple paint was like peeling off. Like, you know how when you put like glue on your hand and you peel it off? That's how it felt. So I thought of peeling the whole purple paint off, but it wasn't peeling off, only like at the corners of the letters. So what I did is I grabbed a piece of scent sheet and I sent all those little pieces off. And this is how it looked. Now, I didn't like it and I almost gave up on this, but then I was like, you know what, let me go over it with a tiny brush and some more purple paint and try to fix the letters. And this is how they turned out, which honestly, they look so much better. Using the same painter's tape, I flipped it around and try to cover the purple because on the other side I am going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. So I didn't want to use the same font for the hello, and I didn't have any other stickers that I had all the letters. So instead I used my Cricut to cut this hello stencil out. And this bleed out just a tiny bit, but I did fix it using a tiny paintbrush. To decorate this some more, I use some of this beautiful lavender pick that I got from Walmart. I am going to cut several stems off and then tie them together. You can glue this on the side or in the middle. Now, I made a bow using the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. The last thing I did is I added the string that I removed for the hanger, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my second project, I will be using the square wood hanging decor sign, which I'm going to paint using the Waverly Antique Wax. For this project, I will be using the same stickers, but this time, instead of doing the reversible stencil, I'm going to just cut off the sticker part. Now, this is like a sticker sheets, so I am going to just use them as regular stencils. I'm going to put the word home going down. So Dollar Tree does carry stickers that you can use. I just used whatever I had. I did give this 2 coats of paint. Once it was dry, I removed the sticker part, and this is how it looks. On this side, I will be adding a small little planter on the other side, and to do that, I'm using this Dollar Tree pencil holder. It is pink, but I am going to paint it with some white spray paint. I felt that this looked too plain, so I did use some of the antique wax to distress this out. Using some hot glue, I'm going to just glue this. And now you can use this all year round by just switching the greenery. So since this is spring, I'm using this beautiful lavender pink that I already had. To decorate this a little more, I'm using this ribbon that I got from Walmart. I made a tiny bow and added to the front. Now, I only had a little bit of this ribbon, so whatever I had left over, I use it for the hanger. And this completes this beautiful home sign. For my next project, I'm using this wood rectangle sign. Now for this one, I am going to paint it differently. I'm painting the corners purple and like the center with the antique wax. So to do the corners, I'm using the painter's tape. I'm actually reusing the ones I used earlier. Like I mentioned it earlier, this center part is going to be with the antique wax and the corners are going to be purple. For this sign, I'm going to put the word welcome. I had these stencils that I got a while back from Hobby Lobby. Now this stencil, it is horizontal, but I want mine to be vertical. So I'm going to go word by word. While I was doing this, I thought that I had actually did this like in the center, and after I was done I felt like it was more towards my left, or my left, you're right, wait, my left, anyways. um I felt like it was more to the left, so I felt like there was space on the other side to add some greenery, and that is what I did. I will be adding 2 of these lavender picks on the side. I thought I had ran out of this ribbon, but it looks like I have a little bit, so I made a bow and added at the bottom of the lavender pick. For the next part, you can either add the string back on there for the hanger, or what I did is I wanted to actually cover them holes, so instead I just wrapped around some jute twine on this side. And that is it. Look how beautiful this welcome sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.